Oh, bakala. Finally, I have the Real Techniques brushes. When I say Real Techniques, ito yung legit na Real Techniques. I bought it in Watson's. I got it for 1,200 pesos. Onting backstory lang, I know na Real Techniques since 2015, since I started really doing makeup on myself. 2015 pa lang, alam ko na gusto kong magkaroon ng Real Techniques one day. And finally, I have it. I'm super happy. So let's do a full face glam using this brushes and sponge. The super famous orange sponge na kinakalaban ng Beauty Blender during 2015-2016. Remember the era na wala pa talagang available na Real Techniques dito sa Philippines. After all the years, ngayon ko pa lang siya itatry. Ganito yung itsura niya ng dry. Ganito naman yung itsura niya ng damp. And mas lumaki siya, of course. Meron din ako ditong 8 pesos na beauty sponge. Mas malaki yung butas-butas din ng Real Techniques. Of course, pwede ko rin itong gamitin. This is the Expert Face Brush. Pwede ko siyang gamitin anywhere. I can use this for powder, for creams. Una kong gagawin is to apply my foundation with this and blend it with a sponge. Mga bakla, first apply with the Real Techniques brush. Ooh, dampi ng pagpupursige na ma-achieve to. Oh, ang ganda niya nga, pang blend ng foundation. Ang ganda rin ng shape niya. Hindi siya super dense, which I love. Oh my God. Dito pa lang ang ganda na ng pagka-apply niya. Walang streaks na naiiwan. Hands down, ang ganda ng foundation na to. At ang ganda ng pagkakablan niya sa foundation ko. At napagdesisyonan ko na gagamitin ko to for my concealer. Ito na po ang first time ever ang pagbe-blend ng Real Techniques sponge. Ay, ang bilis ha. Oh, oh! As you can see, mas malaki yung surface na ano niya. So, ito yung difference. This sponge is, I think, worth the hype for so many years. Contour. Of course, gagamitin ko pa rin ng Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques. Ooh, ang ganda nitong pang-blend. Oh my God. Ang ganda siya. Oh my God. Wow. Time to move on to the next brush. This is the Real Techniques setting brush. Personally, love ko yung mga gantong brushes for under eyes. The best talagang setting powder tong Vice. Alam mo, with this brush, wala akong masabi sa kanya. Because the moment I bought this, alam ko na isa to sa magiging favorite ko. Kasi, super convenient ng shape niya. It does the job on setting the makeup. This is technically a blush brush, but gagamitin ko siya to set my whole face with powder. This is the blush brush from Real Techniques. Personally, mas bet ko to sa powder. Ooh. Magba-blush na ako agad-agad. Oy. For the blush brush naman, medyo my least favorite because for the blush kasi gusto ko yung medyo maliit but medyo compact siya. Medyo dense brush. Yan. Ganito yung size ng blush brush na gusto ko for my cheeks. Compared to the Real Techniques, malaki talaga siya. And gusto ko kasi nako-concentrate ko yung blush kung saan ko siya ilalagay. But with the Real Techniques, ang laki ng sakop niya. Even maganda yung pagka-tapered shape ng blush brush na to, ang laki pa rin ng sakop niya. For this blush brush, I can give this a pass. But if wala na akong magamit na blush brush, I can still go with this. Like, workable naman siya. This is the Deluxe Crease Brush. And it's for the eyeshadow. Wow. It's one of those brushes na magagamit mo for an easy eye makeup. If gusto mo ng madali ang eye makeup, ito yung mga brushes na kailangan mong gamitin. Ayan, para malagyan lahat ng surface. Ang bilis mag-eyeshadow. I will just finish my whole look, magbabalik ako. This is the final look of me using the Real Techniques Everyday Essential Set. This is really worth to try. Super worth it investment if you are a makeup artist, makeup content creator, or you just love makeup kasi for sure pang matagalan tong mga brushes and sponges na to. Wow, super napawaw ko. Ang ganda ng look ko today because of these brushes. Feeling ko bibili pa ako ng mas marami and yung kailangan ko talaga na brushes na wala pa ako. So I'm very excited and looking forward to that. Bye!